This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the surface. Clean the channel and deflector edge so clips seat solidly. Once done, identify each clip type and place them loosely into the slots. This prevents surprises when snapping. You should orient the deflector with the vehicle edge and mark clip spacing with a pencil or tape. Make sure to test fit one end first to confirm alignment. This first quick assembly saves time and avoids forcing clips into misaligned holes later. You now attach clips permanently, starting from one end and moving steadily to the other. This keeps tension even. Push each clip into its slot until you hear or feel a distinct click. Don't rush or overforce because clips can deform. Once clips are set, align the deflector to the roof lip and check even gaps. Small adjustments make a big difference in wind noise and fit. If a clip resists, tap gently with a soft mallet or use a clamp to coax it flush without. You finish by pressing every clip fully home, trimming any excess adhesive or snap tabs so the deflector sits tight. Once secured, open and close the door to ensure no interference and take a short drive to listen for vibration or whistling. If you detect movement, park and recheck clip seating. A loose clip is the usual culprit, so replace it promptly. If gaps remain, reseat neighbors evenly. This redistributes tension and cures most fit issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.